Hello, Logitech Z906 5.1 surround speaker system with subwoofer user. For many years, I was tormented with the problem that I could not find and buy a good and comfortable wall mounts for this system. Now I have finally solved this problem with these speaker 3D printed wall mounts that fit any type of wall material. Finally, I can also place these best Logitech surround satellite speakers at ear height to get the best sound and 3D sound effect. If you have a 3D printer, it's very easy. Just print one of the samples available online. If you don't have a 3D printer, feel free to email me as I have printed several of these wall mounts for tests and can send you some for a reward. Once you got your Logitech wall mounts too, you can screw them onto surround satellite speakers and mount them to any wall material quite easily. Then you can start using your Logitech Z906 speakers in a new, more comfortable way. These mounts will definitely fit most Logitech, Microlab, Edifier, Creative, and other manufacturers of multimedia surround PC speakers. I hope this was useful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to post them below this video, and I'll be very happy if you push the subscribe button. We need to get to the 100,000 subscriber milestone together so we can start the big bass test videos.